When you need help with your Roblox account, the primary way to get support in 2025 is through the official support ticket system. Here's exactly how to submit a ticket step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to roblox.com/support. This is the official Roblox support portal where you can submit tickets for any issues you're experiencing. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account, especially if your issue is account specific. This ensures that support can access your account information and provide more targeted assistance. Before submitting your ticket, gather all the necessary information. You'll need your Roblox username, a valid email address, the device you're using, and a detailed description of your problem. Be as clear and concise as possible. You can also attach relevant screenshots or receipts to help illustrate your issue. Choose the correct category for your problem. The main categories include account issues for login problems or hacked accounts, billing and payments for purchase issues, and moderation for appealing bans or warnings. Selecting the right category helps route your ticket to the appropriate support team. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and selected the appropriate category, submit your ticket. You should receive an email confirmation that your ticket has been received. Expect a response within 24 to 72 hours, though complex issues may take longer to resolve. Following these 5 steps will ensure your support ticket is properly submitted and reaches the right team. Remember to be clear and detailed in your description and check your email for updates on your ticket status. To maximize your chances of getting fast and helpful support from Roblox, you need to provide the right information in the right way. Here are the essential details that every support ticket should include. When filling out the support form, make sure all required fields are completed accurately. The contact information section is particularly important. This is where you enter the email associated with your account. Before submitting your ticket, take these important preparation steps. First, check the Roblox Help Center for existing solutions. Many common issues already have detailed guides available. When describing your issue, be as specific as possible. Include the exact steps you took, any error messages you received, and when the problem started occurring. This detailed information helps support agents understand and resolve your issue faster. If you need to follow up on an existing ticket, use a clear subject line that includes your ticket number. This helps support agents quickly locate your previous correspondence and provide continuity in service. Remember, Roblox does not offer phone support to prevent fraud and impersonation. Your best options are the support form at roblox.com/support or email at info@roblox.com. For appeals specifically, use appeals@roblox.com. Following these best practices will significantly improve your chances of receiving fast and effective support. Provide complete information, check resources first, communicate clearly, and use the appropriate contact method for your specific issue.